Students, today we are going to study next characteristics of living things, that is responsiveness to stimuli. Now, have you observed this or experienced this? What happened immediately after the following actions are seen? Light is flashed suddenly into your eyes. What you do? You close your eyes. Yes or no? Suddenly you felt a pin prick. Something is pricking. A pin is pricking you. What you do? You suddenly shout. Yes or no? The leaves of the mimosa plant are touched. Mimosa plant is also known as touch me not plant. The plant leaves are touched. The plant leaves will get closed. Means this way the plant is showing some responding to your touch. So that is nothing but responsiveness to stimuli. At sunset, lamps on the street or courtyard are lit and insects gather around the lamps. Yes, have you observed this? When the lamps are lit, the street lights are lit, what is happening? The insects are gathering around those lamps, means they are responding to that light. Yes or no? So this way the living things respond. So that is nothing but their responsiveness to stimuli and movement. Living things act in various ways when responding to a stimulus. If you suddenly enter a cow shed, yes or no, where the cows are tied, the cows and buffaloes stand up, begin to move. One or two may even start moving. These are all movements shown by those living things. Yes or no? The same way we see some movement in the plants, which are those a creeper planted in the courtyard lean towards a support. See now the movement seen in the plant. A creeper that is planted in the courtyard leans towards a support, so that on that support it can climb up, grow up high. So that creeper move towards or lean towards the support. Other movement that is seen in the plants, a potted plant placed in a window grows towards the sunlight. Have you seen that? Sunlight is the main factor in the process of photosynthesis. Plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight. We have studied this. So when a plant is potted in a balcony, in a window, you see that it grows towards the sunlight. So this is nothing but the movement shown by that plant. Clear with this? So what is meant by responsiveness to stimuli? The ability of the living things to respond to a stimulus is called their responsiveness to stimuli. Now, next part is reproduction in living things. The other characteristics of living things is nothing but reproduction. Clear with this? So, living things produce other living things like themselves. Some animals give birth to their young ones, some lay eggs. Their young ones hatch out of the eggs. New plants are produced from the seeds, stems or leaves of the plants. So this is the reproduction seen in the plants. So see now, reproduction in living things. Animals. Some lay eggs. Some animals give birth to their young ones. Yes or no? And in plants, new plants are produced from the seeds, stems or leaves of the plants. So, what is reproduction? The process by which a living thing generates a new living thing like itself is called reproduction or procreation. So, today we have studied two characteristics of living things. First one is responsiveness to stimuli and second one is reproduction. You have to solve the assignment which is given after this explanation. Thank you.